On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? Everybody's been wondering where we've been. Minitruck? You've been picking up all the scrap woods and dumping it in the back on a burn pile. You've been working. On our way to Home Depot. We're gonna park right up front too, like everybody else does. Is that open to feel on your leg?
I don't think so.
There's a little lever, like a flap you can lift up and down. It's like a little trap door almost. You gotta push it down, right?
Yeah.
That's Minitruck air conditioning.
Is it just coming straight through?
Right behind the headlight, where it takes air in, it'll blow right through. It's pretty strong, right?
Yeah.
It is like air.
Well, there's nothing in front of us.
Right.
Couldn't do that on like a Jeep.
Right. What in the world's going on? Don't make me hit my air horns.
When do you think they'll ever fix that?
I don't know. I know, we gotta put that supercharger on. Crappy weather job, that is. Trying to get everything done since we have such a short, nice weather season. Let's see, ready? Let's see if I can gain enough. Go, go.
20 minutes later.
You know that has to be embarrassing getting passed by mini-trucks. You know when we'll start remembering to bring the mask when we go somewhere is when the mask thing is lifted.
Yeah.
And then every time we'll be like, oh, gotta grab a mask, and no, don't need it.
You think it's gonna be lifted?
Probably after election. Home Depot! This is Minitruck parking. Don't forget, you gotta hold the handle up. You didn't do it. Oh, didn't get your mask. We just talked about that.
I told you, I'm never.
I'm never gonna remember either. Time for a new mask. I wish I was recording when I did that. I don't keep this on because the battery's only good for so long. Let's go to rugs first, I guess. Definitely gonna be long for Mini.
Well,
12 foot. I'm gonna have to use a rack. It's alright. She can handle it.
That's what she said.
Hey, go alongside it. You miss us, Minnie? You got, look, and you got the people, they park right there, you can't even let them out. How rude. This poor bat. Oh, there goes the cart. We'll hook it up on here. I'll do this so it can't go flying. I think we're good. Like, what are these people doing parking right here?
I know.
What?
The guy had a big smile on his face.
Did he? Everybody loved Minitruck.
Drink?
Water?
Yeah, I'll have water. No lemon. What time is it?
12:30.
That's why.
I'm happy we don't live over there.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make a light. Wow. Wow. So we got some very cool, unexpected visitors.
Come on.
That's got some good coloring.
Ready? 1, 2. Woo!
Oh, there he goes.
So much for the stick. Alright, Monty, let's go. Merlin's here.
Come on, Monty.
Come on.
Well, come to find out, these birds are pretty famous. Go give them a like and a follow on Instagram and their new YouTube channel.
Monty, come on. Come on, Monty.
Oh yeah, we lost our power again. Man, that sucks.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.